the city lights, charging forward through the darkest nights. A quiet storm on two sleek wheels, the pulse of progress the future feels. Ride the lightning, feel the sparks, through the winding trails and urban parks. Silent power, steel and fire, forever chasing dreams inspire. Glide like a shadow, swift and keen, through the electric maze of vivid dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charged machine, I take the leap. Ride the lightning, feel the sparks, through the winding trails and urban parks. Silent power, steel and fire, forever chasing dreams inspire. Rattle whispers a daring sound, freedom flows as the wheels spin round. Every jolt a story, every turn alive. This is how the metal and man survive. Plug me in, take me far. I'm a flash of light beneath the stars. No fumes, no noise, just silent might. I embrace the thrill, I ride the night.